Vehicle Code 23536 is the California statute that sets the baseline penalties for a first offense DUI conviction where no one was injured. It applies when a driver is convicted under Vehicle Code 23152, the main DUI law, and has no prior DUI convictions within the past 10 years. Think of 23,536 as the rulebook the judge works from when sentencing a first-timer. Under 23,536, a conviction carries a minimum of 96 hours in jail and a maximum of 6 months. In practice, many courts allow some or all of that jail time to be served through alternative programs like work release or a sheriff's work program. Probation is typically 3 to 5 years, and violating probation, even a minor traffic stop, can trigger a jail sentence. The base fine under 23,536 sounds manageable, but California law stacks mandatory penalty assessments on top of it. By the time those multipliers are added, the total financial hit is often several times the base amount, sometimes reaching several $1,000s all in. You will also likely pay for DUI school, and court-ordered DUI school fees come out of your pocket directly. A first offense DUI conviction triggers a 6-month driver's license suspension from the court side. The DMV may also impose its own suspension separately, so these two actions run alongside each other. Most first offenders are eligible for a restricted license, allowing driving to work and DUI school. Completing a state-licensed DUI education program, usually 3 or 9 months long depending on your BAC, is required to get your full license reinstated. Here is something many people misunderstand. The DUI conviction appears on your public DMV driving record for 10 years, and that is the version employers and insurance companies typically see. But the DMV also keeps an internal record that never goes away. If you are arrested for another DUI many years later, the DMV can still count this first offense as a prior. Your insurance rates will very likely rise for years after a first offense conviction. Even on a first offense, the evidence is worth examining carefully. Officers must follow specific procedures under Title 17 of the California Code of Regulations when administering breath and blood tests, and errors in that process can affect the reliability of the results. The stop itself, the field sobriety tests, and the chain of custody for a blood sample are all areas a defense attorney will look at. Results vary from case to case, but understanding the process helps you make informed decisions. A first offense DUI is serious, but knowing exactly what the law says puts you in a much better position to navigate it. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.